Hey guys! Welcome sa akin vlog! So, ito ay lilinisin natin gamit ang Rainbow E2 Black. And ito ang mga gamit natin. First is the Rainbow system. Then we're gonna power nozzle it. And then we're gonna use the Aquamate. Okay? So, yun. Hopefully malinis natin to. I'll keep you posted. First, we're gonna put some water on the Rainbow. So yucky. Dirty water flowing. Look at that. So dirty. So we're gonna tip this over. See what kind of dirt do we get. Look at that. Ooh, it's like something's alive. Okay, so we got this and that, and some of that still in here. That's how dirty the carpet is. So if you don't have a rainbow, this is hiding under your carpet. Clean water before, and then we'll see after. So now that we've finished vacuuming, so we vacuumed all of this, okay, now we'll go do some shampooing. So as you can see, there are stains there, okay, so those are probably some dog piss or wet things there. So these are the things that we're going to remove later on. So we'll just see how much power that the Aquamate can do to remove all those stains. So we're going to use this Aquamate, and we're going to put the Aquamate shampoo solution as well. So these two go hand in hand in cleaning the carpet. So we'll just remove this, okay, and And then we're gonna switch it over to this. I'm gonna put it in. So just shoot it. Okay, alright. And now we need to throw away that dirty water first. So this is after we have vacuumed the carpet. Yucky. Ooh, yuck, yuck. Okay, so that's what we get for dipping this in. That's all the dirt from the carpet. Yuck. Yuck. Let's take a look at how much dirt that we have cleaned. Look at that. Look at that. All this dark. All the sand as well at the bottom. Alright. So that's how much the rainbow can clean. So this is all the dirt. Yucky.